To install Docker, to run the Docker procedure, of course you need to install Docker. Now it is important that you know that you can install Docker, for Mac OS, Windows, and Linux operating system. For Mac OS, if you're using M chip series, please make sure that you install the Apple Silicon version. But if you're using the Intel chip version, you should install the Intel chip version. For me, I use the Apple Silicon chip, which I've downloaded already. And once you download it, it's just a very simple thing for you to install it, just like you saw me install this. Just double click on the installation setup, and I think I've even deleted it. So let me go back here. All right, so this is Docker image, right? The Docker. Well, so I'm putting it back here. What you need is to just double click it, then drag and drop. You understand? Because I already have it, I don't need to repeat that process. So, but that is just what it is, about it. You download, then you drag, you double click, you drag and drop in your operating system, and then once you do that, you can literally start it up by clicking on the desktop icon, and you see that Docker will be spinned up for you. And once you have this available, the next step is to make sure you run Docker -- version, and you see that it is installed. This confirms that you have Docker on your computer. If you're here with me, then you don't have any issue. We can go into the next phase of this development, which is the course project and the configuration of the Renterd Renterd service. We haven't yet configured it. All we've done so far is install it, and it is quite important that the installation procedure is done correctly. So in the next part of this video, we will now have to perform some configuration. So I will see you in the next part of this video.